so thankful.
Okay, I prepared a presentation. I was going to be very, very formal, but looking at the setting, I think I will email a soft copy to him and then he can share with you so that in the comfort of your rooms you can read that in more detail. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Okay, let's give our brother Edwin a strong great round of applause. Okay, we are making good time. We're going to take a few minutes for questions and answers, about 15 minutes. And then after that, we're going to allow you to support our brothers and sisters that came out with great products. You know, we want you to support them, buy the nice soap, get you some clothing, get some of the moringa, some of the good herbs, books, to show your thanks and appreciation for them being here. So we'll take a few questions. But before I do that, we have a couple of people here. I'm a strong believer that we need to control our movie industry with great movies. And we have a brother here from Nollywood. You know Nollywood, right? That's Nigeria movie. And Princess, I want you to come up also. I want you, come on, PJ. Let's give our two brothers, our brother and our sister, come on up, because they are into movie making. And I have a strong, actually it's part of my life plan is to assist those that want to go into movie making. Please turn so they can see you. And I will just say a few words to them. I intend to invest in movie making next year, okay? I have some monies that I intend to take a portion of some monies that I got coming to invest in movie making. So I'm going, within 12 months, I'm going to invest in this movie industry. So I want them to say, we got Nollywood and Gollywood. That's Ghana movies. So I want them to say a few words, okay? Start with Gollywood.
Yeah, hello everybody. My name is Doro Benson Jr. I'm from Nigeria, Nollywood. Based on movies in Africa, it would be very wise if you invest in African movies because Nigeria have one of the biggest markets in Africa and in the world at the moment. And we don't have more investors from the foreign world to upgrade our movie up to that kind of American standard and the UK standard of movie. But we bring out movies that deal with natural life story. Our movies tells you what is happening here in Africa, how we live our life, the do's and the don'ts we do in Africa. And also in Africa, the best way to educate people in Africa is through movie. I'll give you a great secret here in Africa. If you write a book, it will be very difficult for African man to buy the book and read the book. They have time. They can take 3-4 hours to watch the movie. They don't have problem with that. But give them the book, they will go through just the first page. It's a problem. They'll never do it. So that's why they say if you want to kill an African man, write a book. He will buy the book, but he will keep the book without reading the book. So we encourage our brothers from the US and UK and the rest of the world to really come back home and let's invest in a movie business. You just invest little and you make a lot of out of it. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Good evening once again. I'll mention my name once again, Felix Kobe Osei. We say here in Ghana, Kwapena, instead of Kobe. So Kwapena Osei, that's my name. My brother has said it all, but I have to add some to it. We have a proverb in P, they say, Mekoi B, Nasema Kebidia, no. I'm here and I have to also talk. If I don't talk, it looks as if I didn't come. Yeah, we're also coming out with a TV show. I'm an actor, like I said earlier, but he has said it all. I don't want to, talk much about it again. And I have my sister here who will talk to us more about our TV show coming up. We need investors to also try, help we to come out with a TV show. We use the word hustling, going up and down for people to support we with this show coming up. So I'll give the microphone to my sister to also tell me a bit about that. Thank you.
evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Princess, and I am the CEO of Penny Production. And we are coming out with a reality show called Unsung Heroes. Unsung Heroes is a program for crew members, that's cameraman, lightman, and producers. So I would like to ask one question, and I will start from Mr. Sir, can you please tell me one of your favorite movies you've watched so far?
You mean Nigerian movie? Let me talk about the Nigerian movies. They are very, very interesting, entertaining, and they do educate you as well. And I think I'll name the actor. The title.
Or a music that you love to listen to is anyone?
No, let me mention one actor. I'm sure people can tell me. I know. Okay, that's more of a comedy, Mr. Ibu, for instance. Good. And this guy, was it Sophia or something? Sophia, yes.
What about Love Road in the African Park?
Yes, that was anyway. Yeah. And then the other one is
My question is not being answered, so I'll move here. Sir, please, where do you come from?
From the United States.
So tell me one movie that you love to watch.
I can tell you one. Oh, okay. Yes.
There's lots of movies I love, but right now, one of my favorite movies is The Edge of Tomorrow with Tom Cruise.
Thank you very much. So can you please tell me the producer of the movie?
Not at all.
That's it. So we are here to give the opportunity to producers to come out because they are the ones who are behind our celebrities, and they are the ones behind the good movies that we watch, the good music that we love to listen to. So we are giving opportunity to them to come out, and then we know them better. So that's why we named that program Unsung Heroes, because Unsung Heroes, let me explain the word unsung. Unsung is a word that something that is not being recognized, because we think here that the crews are not being recognized here in Africa. So we have this program for them, and we try to give them an award to recognize them for the good work that they have done so far, because we think that they are behind the good music that we love to listen to, the movies and the celebrities. So that's why we came here to talk about it and then get some investors to it. Thank you.
Very good. Thank you very much. So again, we're going to go into question and